Welcome to today's Furniture Flip. My name's Selena and I'm a Sydney-based furniture finisher. In this video I'll be taking this boring and basic 6-drawer dresser and transforming it into something beautifully modern. I gave it a good inspection and can see that there was no damage, besides that some of the drawers were misaligned and wouldn't open too well. I knew this would be an easy fix, so I bought it and brought it home. If you want to see how this dresser goes from boring to beautiful, continue watching. The first thing I'm going to do is sand down and expose this timber, and I'm going to go for a two-tone look using Fusion's soapstone colour. I think this is a really nice colour. It's going to be nice and modern and masculine, and I definitely will be changing out the hardware as well to make it more updated. And I'm not too sure what I'll be using yet, but I'll wait till the end to see what works best for this combination. So let's begin. A handy tip, try rearranging the drawers first, as this might solve the misalignments and difficulty of some of the drawers not opening smoothly. Here I was able to fix up most of the misaligned drawers besides the last two bottom ones. This meant I only needed to adjust and drop down the two bottom runners to make it more evened and straight. Here you can see how much of the paint I used, and I did 2 coats of this soapstone colour, and it really didn't even take a quarter of this paint, so it really does go pretty far. This was such a fun one-day makeover to do. The time I spent making over this dresser from start to finish was only 3.5 hours. This is definitely a great DIY that you could complete over a weekend. So without further ado, let's get to the reveal. I absolutely love how this dresser turned out. So to break down the costings for this dresser, it was $80 from my op shop. I spent $10 in materials, and for the new decorative marble hardware, that was $63 from my website. If you'd like to create this look yourself, I'll link down below the decorative knobs that you can purchase and also the color that I used for this flip. So in total, I spent $153 on this makeover. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next flip.